So next up, guys, got 2002 Ford E350 XL Super Duty van here, guys. You do have 2 rows of bench seats, power locks, power windows, heat AC. The AC may need recharge, but it's got the Triton V8 gas in it. Rubber looks pretty good. You do got a spare tire in the back. We did already have it running here, guys. You can probably hear it at idle. It does start up fine. Batteries are just real low. So Garrett will go ahead. He'll go and give you a nice demo. It's got a radio too. Obviously the exhaust probably isn't going all the way through the muffler there. She's got a little zip. Reverse there, guys. You know, she maybe got a little bit of rust kind of on the corners right around the fenders, but you know, for the age, pretty good shape, pretty solid, not a lot of rust under right around the bottoms of the doors or anything. Pretty solid van. So there's the demo, guys, of the 2002 Ford E350. You look at the auction time at Old 20 Auctions.